no.
Uh-oh. We in trouble? You might want to have a beverage here and there, that kind of thing. So he going a good, what, 36, 35 miles an hour? All right, y'all, so today we're going to do a vlog. We're going to take these e-bikes on a night out. We're going to see what it's like taking two e-bikes to...
You get like an hour in.
Like an hour? Okay. So we're going to see what it's like taking two e-bikes to a night on the town. I'm on one of my favorite full-size e-bikes, which is the Vitilan T7. What I like the most about this bike is how smooth it is and the fact that you can adjust not only the front suspension but the suspension in the back. But this is my smoothest e-bike. Like, I can put on a jacket. I can take my hands off the handlebar, put on a jacket, and not even worry about falling on this e-bike. This is one of my newer full-size e-bikes that the bro is on. This is the Free Sky Eurostar
Supersonic.
So far it's one of the fastest e-bikes that I reviewed on this channel, and we're going to test out the speed on the way. Like, it's quick, right? It ain't just fast, but it's quick too.
Exactly, yeah.
And it also got crazy battery life from what we've seen so far, but we're going to put that to the test because where we're going is pretty far to get to the area where we can kick it and you know, all that cool stuff. Now, the one thing about the Vitilan is it really gives you a hard stop at 28 miles per hour. See, it really makes sure that you don't go over 28 miles per hour. But it feels like it can go faster than that. So I haven't figured out how to unlock it, but it definitely seems like it want to go faster than 28 miles per hour. I am doing an e-bike giveaway. If you want to be included in this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to the channel and comment below on what type of e-bike you would like. One thing neither bike came with, unfortunately, is the rear light. So what I bought was this I installed this rear light on both bikes, and it's pretty easy, and I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get this from Amazon. But you basically screw this on your seat pole, and then you have this on your handlebar, right? And then this will give you different options. Like, you see this light now, right? You can click on this button at the top and watch this. You get not only this rear light, but then you also get these lines that appear on the floor. That's kind of cool, right? And then if you click the button at the bottom of this panel, look at what your rear light does. You have different options on how you want your lights to show. See, so it can be blinking, it can do this cool little feature here, it can just be there. It also has turner signals, see, so you can tell people behind you if you're turning left or right. I got that installed on both bikes, which is definitely necessary if you're going to be riding to go kick it at nighttime on the weekends, right? Because the cops will pull us over, right?
They will say something.
We had an issue with a cop a few weeks ago for having a bike. We were testing out a bike and we forgot to install this and we got pulled over. The Free Sky is much faster than the Vitilan, right? This is as fast as I can go. That's as fast as I can go. Look at the Free Sky. He gone, right? Man, that bike is fast, boy. Look. So he going a good, what, 36, 35 miles an hour? Goodness gracious. And I know some people will say, you don't really get a workout in on an e-bike. I don't think that's true. If you want to get a workout in going mode 5, you do like we're doing right now, which is be on the street where you can go max speed and just try to stay at that max speed. You will get a workout in. Hey, Tayo! Tayo, slow down a little bit. He can't hear me. Hey, can you slow down a little bit? God damn. Okay, we're going into more of a, I guess, residential area now. And you might have to slow down the speed just a little bit. So part of the reason why I chose these two e-bikes to do this long ride, because I knew we were going to mainly be in the street, which I don't recommend you to do, but if you were going to ride in the street, on a main street, I would say make sure your bike is big like these bikes are. Make sure your bike has dual suspension, because you will get cracks like that one. You will get some cracks on the road while you're riding. You don't want the cracks to make you shake so much where you might lose grip on the handlebar like this. Right? So you want full suspension. And also because these bikes go over 28 miles per hour, Kyle's going more like 35. My goodness. Yeah, you didn't hear me like, Tayo, slow down. Tayo, slow down. Well, you said we need to stay close to each other?
Yeah.
That's his fault.
I got carried away. I ain't get That's my bad right there.
So how did it feel going that fast on that bike?
Man, you remember when I said I didn't think I needed a jacket? Yeah, 33. I think it's smooth, man.
Okay.
The suspension is straight.
If we keep pedaling fast, we're gonna get to where we need to get to, and we're gonna be funky. Like, I think the dilemma when taking an e-bike out on a night out is like, all right, do you pedal? Because you don't want to be on the street like this and be going super slow. But then a bike like this, if you do throttle only, it's only going to take you 20 miles per hour. But the Vitilan, the throttle is 28, so I'm good on this bike. But I guess we'll see how funky Tayo is when we get there. We'll have him approach some chick and see what she thinks.
Let's see if she...
The road we're on now is like a 50 mile per hour road. We do have somebody trailing behind us in a Jeep with her hazard lights on. And this is just so that somebody can be behind us, at least alert us to any traffic behind us that we don't see, because the cars are going by us so fast. So I guess we're cheating a little bit, but we're good now. So now we're on a 35 miles per hour road. We're good. But for a little pocket of time there, we was on a 50 miles per hour road, and I wouldn't suggest e-bike riding on a road that's over 35 miles per hour. Hey, how I feel catching all these yellow lights?
Catching all these yellows, man. What's going on? Hey, at least we know the brakes work.
All right, we're getting closer to the more urban area. There's more people in cars, but this is where we at now. Battery life is doing so good so far. Now we're gonna just, if we see something interesting, maybe we'll stop, pull over and see what's going on. Because I think it's a few clubs and a few like social places that's on this pathway that we're going to here. Like that. What is that? And also, when you're riding e-bikes, you want to make sure you stay in the middle of your lane as much as you can, especially at night, because we have just noticed some people swerving a little bit. And so yeah, I guess you want to always make sure you're in the middle of the lane in case you need to, and always looking around to see if you need to get over a lane to avoid a car. You know what I'm saying? Because you know, it's Saturday night, and I'm sure some people partake in some liquid that help them relax a little bit, including relax behind the wheel. So yeah, stay in the middle lane as much as you can. Tayo showing out with no hands on the handlebar in the street, which I definitely don't suggest. Goodness. Looks like it's some stuff going on here. What is that? Okay, comedy theater. All right. Hey, Tayo, go and make that right. All right, let's go in here and see. I get some interesting stuff going on up in here. All right. Like, whenever I see police and it's Saturday, I approach with caution. So hopefully nothing bad happened. And that's just basic security. But okay, look like people are having a good time there for sure. All right, all right. All right. All right, we found all right, look like we're going to a location that has multiple, I guess, nightlife spots. Look like we have the some social bar up here. Social bar up here. All right, cool. All right, let's keep going. Alright, let's see what else we got. Now this is when I wish we had more urban style e-bikes, because these bikes are so big you can't like easily go around traffic and stuff like that. You have to kind of treat these bikes like cars, you know what I mean? You can't be weaving in and out of cars and trying to avoid people and stuff like that. So look like we have a movie theater. All right. The Latin Club stuff going on here. Here. All right. Like we have another club over here. All right, all right. All right, looks like there's a lot of stuff going on. So maybe we stop in a few different spots. Well, I guess first we got to figure out a place to park the bikes, and I don't think they have any. I haven't seen any bike racks, because there's one thing you have to look out for, and cars coming out of the parking, right? Have to definitely look out for that too. But other than that, you have to see if you can find bike racks. I'm not seeing any. If y'all have an e-bike and y'all go and if you use your e-bike for nightlife like we're doing, where do you park your bikes? If there's not a bike rack, do you park it around a tree, or do you just park the two bikes close together, close to each other? Comment below, let me know, what do y'all do? Alright. Because we have to put these bikes around a tree, basically, we got two sets of chains. We got this chain here with a combination to kind of lock the bodies up against the tree and each other. We got another one in the front here that we're going to put to bring the handlebars, lock the handlebars close together. But the cool thing with the Free Sky is, in order to turn the bike on, you need this key fob thing. So you take this key fob, you put it on that screen, and you need that fob to turn the bike on. If you take this battery out, we do have the key up here. If you take the battery out, you can turn that switch off on the battery. So to make sure that nobody can get away with electrical assistance. We're not going to do all that. You know, we're just going to tie them up and hope for the best.
I like this one, Will.
We in trouble? Comment below, let me know what kind of e-bike footage you want me to get next time. Based on what your comment is, that's what I'll do next. And but let me know what y'all thought of this video. Like, would you And comment below on whether you would take an e-bike, seeing that what we just had to go through. Comment below on whether you would take an e-bike instead of a car on a night out. You know what I mean? Would you do that on an e-bike, or you think you just kind of playing with fire because, you know, you might want to have a beverage here and there, that kind of thing. Oh my goodness. Somebody's upset. There's a lot going on. Show what we could, but had a good time. Now the clubs are closing, so we're about to head out. But comment below what other type of, I guess, event would you like for me to capture on an e-bike? Maybe like capture me using the e-bike to go shopping, or using the e-bike to go on a date, or I don't know, just any scenario where you think you could possibly use an e-bike. Comment below, let me know, and I'll try to do it, and we'll see just how much. My bad. And we're gonna see just how much can an e-bike replace your car, because I think that's what they try to make these e-bikes for. And it's funny because people will be like, you're cheating on an e-bike. Like, an e-bike is not really built to replace your regular bike. I think they build these e-bikes to try to replace your car. So it's not like you're getting a workout in your car, right? So it's not like, you know, so yeah, the e-bikes are really to replace your car and not your bike, really. That's why you have a horn. That's why they come with rear racks. That's why you got headlight, rear lights, you know, usually stuff like that, because they're trying to replace some of your commutes. So it looks like after like 40 miles, I'm a little way halfway through my Vitilan T7 battery. One good thing about the Vitilan is, even though I only have like probably like 40-30% of battery life, I can still hit the maximum speed on mode 5, right? So even though I don't have a whole lot of battery life, but I got like 35%, I can still get up to 28 miles per hour. Meanwhile, the Free Sky, you can't go max speed no more, can you? 20 what? 15 miles per hour? On mode 5.